Hi everyone, it's that time of year again. The dandelions are starting to sprout. So tonight I'm going to be making tuna salad with dandelions. What all goes into the tuna salad with dandelions? 2 4.5-ounce cans tuna in olive oil, undrained. And the only olive oil one I found had roasted garlic, but I think that'll work okay. 1/3 cup dandelion petals, loosely packed, about 3 flower heads. I've got 6, I believe. And you want to make sure that you shake it all, make sure there's no bugs on it, and then rinse it. Also, you want to make sure that when you harvest your dandelions, it's in an area where there's no access to dogs peeing on it or pesticides. 1/4 cup freshly snipped chives, 3 to 4 tablespoons sour cream, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. So let's begin. So take a bowl and just mix all the ingredients. The 2 cans of tuna. And make sure you didn't drain it. The 1/3 cup dandelion petals. Try not to get too many of the little green areas there. They are edible, but they just want the yellow petals. Dandelions are very healthy. They have a lot of benefits. You can eat any part of the dandelion, the petals, the head, the stems, the greens, and the roots. This is actually 10 heads with the petals taken off. My dandelions are just starting to grow, so they weren't very big. The 1/4 cup of freshly snipped chives, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and I have 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and you can adjust that to your liking, and salt and pepper to taste. And it says blend with a fork until well blended. I'm just going to use my wooden spoon. This has got to be one of the most simple recipes that I've seen using dandelions. We're going to put these on some sub rolls and eat them that way. So let me get this dished up and then we'll get Dave to do a taste test. So here is the tuna salad with dandelions in a sub roll. I try to cut it the old-fashioned Subway way. And rounding out the meal is potato salad. So let's see what Dave thinks.
Was it tuna fish?
It is. It's tuna salad with dandelions.
Oh, it's that time of year, isn't it?
It is.
Are those green pieces part of the dandelion too?
No, those are chives.
Chives? Okay. Well, they don't hurt the flavor in any way. Still tastes like tuna fish to me.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.